Mrs. Masuda Khan, Principal, Father Nicola Di Costa, Vice Principal, Teacher Nicole D'Souza, Supervisor, Mr. Philippe Rodriguez, Administrator, Father Shinon Matthew, Manager, Father Henry. आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है।
Today, we are honored to have a special guest in our midst. Let us learn a few words about our chief guest, Master Naveed Khan from Ratnesh Yadav.
A very warm and hearty welcome to all of you present here. It is my pleasure and honor to introduce you to our chief guest, Master Naveed Khan, who has made the school and his parents proud by his exceptional performance at the 2022-23 SSC board exams. Naveed has achieved success through sheer hard work and perseverance. I would like to acknowledge the parents who have been a constant support system throughout his days in school. Naveed reads extensively and is an attentive listener, traits which have helped him in his success. During his journey in school, Naveed has participated in a number of competitions and won awards and prizes for the same. You all will be amazed to know that Naveed has not only topped the school, but has also scored the highest marks in most of the subjects. We wish Naveed the very best for his future. May he achieve greater heights. May all his dreams come true. God bless.
Father Shinoy will now present a floral bouquet to Naveed.
Respected principal, the school management, teachers and parents, good morning everyone. It's a great honor to stand here today and speak in front of all of you on this special occasion. The school annual function. Today is a day of celebration, a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students, teachers and staff. I am very much honored to be invited to be the chief guest for today's function here. I am very proud to say that I was a student of this school right from junior PG to standard 10. As a student, I spent many happy years, which I miss even to this day. When I think of them, as we often get to hear from our elders that school life is the best life, and yes, it is true. Our teachers were very cooperative and helped us a lot when we had any difficulty. I felt that I was lucky to be studying in such an esteemed institution. In addition to academic excellence, St. Teresa's High School is also dedicated to helping the students develop their character and sense of community. Through our extensive extracurricular programs, sports, music, students are encouraged to explore their interests, develop new skills, and give back to the community. Because of this commitment to excellence, that St. Teresa's High School continues to be one of the leading schools in Bangalore. Parents are advised to encourage their child to study and take part in sports for overall development. Both are equally important in life. So parents, I wish to advise you to make the most of your child's school days here and benefit from the incomparable education they receive in this institute. In conclusion, I am incredibly grateful for the support and opportunities provided by the school. Beloved teachers for their continuous guidance, family and friends throughout my academic journey. Remember that each one of us has unique talents and strengths, and all achieved remarkable things. Once again, I thank all of you present here for giving me an opportunity to grace today's function as a chief guest. I wish and pray that the school reaches still more lofty heights and keep its flag flying up eternally. Thank you all for your time and attention, connecting through special memories.
Dear parents, we had various science competitions from 30th November to 9th December at Edgeworth Science Exhibition 2023 to 2024. It is a proud moment for us to announce that in the science quiz competition held on 2nd December 2023, our senior group won the first prize and our junior group secured the 4th place and won the consolation prize. Our senior group was also selected for the district level science quiz competition held on 15 December 2023. And Master Prathamesh Yadav again bagged the first place. I request our
manager, the fathers from the church, our new HM and new supervisor, my dear parents, and all of you. It gives me great pleasure to stand here and first of all congratulate whatever we have seen so far, the prize winners that we have. We have lots of them, but we didn't want to disturb the whole scenario. Today is the day to give messages, and so we didn't want to have reports and things of that sort. So would like to thank all the teachers, parents who have worked hard for this program. Remember, unlike other schools, we didn't have any choreographer that is going to come here. It was all done by teachers. So I think the hard work that they have done, their thoughts, their concepts, everything has come to them. Even though it's not started, I would like you to give them a big round of applause for that, what they have done. It's a nice thing to stand here, but when I see the chairs empty, and especially in the morning section it happens. Just to tell you that we have 200 plus participants today. Forget about audience voice, who are 1,000 plus. Even if the participants' parents had come, this hall would have been full. And we had made all kinds of advertisements to invite parents for the function. स्कूल हमारी तरफ से सब प्रयत्न करता है। आपने देखा है कैसे कैसे उनको प्राइज वगैरह मिलता है। जब पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है तो बच्चे आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते। We have one example today. This boy stands first here. Maybe he has not told you. He has not gone for any tuition. And still he has stood first with the support of his mother. I think they need a big round of applause for it. Because the mother was there with him all the time. The school, of course, yes, but the parents' support is very important. And that's why, my dear friends, it's necessary that you have to work with your students, you have to give them support. We see at the backdrop, and see here we have Magical Theresin is our theme for this year. बच्चा जब जन्म लेता है तो उनके सपने रहते हैं. And when God creates us, He also has some plans for us. And it is the support system later on, like school, like family, who उनको आगे बढ़ने के लिए मौका देते हैं. उनका जो सपना है वो साकार करने के लिए हम उनको मदद करते हैं. जब हमारी मदद नहीं मिलती है तो आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. And that is what the whole annual day is about today. So enjoy. Also carry on the message that we need to make sure if we want these Magical Theresins to become something in the world, we need to be with them. So that is my message for you today. Also would like to announce that our junior KG admissions, online admissions are on. Please make sure that you, if your son, child is supposed to be coming in junior KG this year, please fill the online forms. Tell your relations and your friends if they have not done so to do at the earliest, because 31st of December the site will close. Afterwards, आगे आपको मत बताना father भूल गए. We cannot do much after that. So please make sure that before 31st of December you fill the forms for junior KG admissions. Finally, it's Christmas time. I am wearing a Santa Claus cap and I don't want to give you any more further messages. Would like to thank you for your presence here and would like to tell you the meaning of Christmas with the song of Jim Reeves, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, what it means. C is for the Christ child, born upon this day. H is for herald angels in the night. R means our Redeemer, I means Israel. S is for the star that shone so bright. T is for three wise men, they travel far. M is for the manger where He lay. A is all He stands for. S means shepherds came, and that's why there's a Christmas day.
talented Teresians.
India is a land filled with different people, each with their own festivals. Our country has vibrant celebrations happening every month. One of these joyous festivals is Christmas. Let us now experience the enchanting dream of a young boy preparing for Christmas.
Let's साथ लड़ाई कर रहे हैं। एक देश दूसरे देश के साथ लड़ रहा है। हर जगह गोलियां चल रही हैं, बारूद फट रहे हैं। इंसान इंसान को ही मार रहा है। खून की नदियां बह रही हैं। लोग बेसहारा हो रहे हैं। इंसानियत खत्म हो रही है।
क्या यह सब रुक नहीं सकता? क्या दुनिया पहले जैसी सुंदर नहीं हो सकती?
हो सकती है मैसन। आज हम सब दुनिया में नफरत, द्वेष, क्रोध का सामना करते हैं, लेकिन हर दिन दयालुता का ढेर सारा कार्य भी होता है। इस काइंडनेस को तुम्हें हर इंसान के अंदर जगाना है।
मुझसे ये कैसे होगा?
दया हम सब के अंदर है। अगर इस दुनिया को बेहतर बनाना चाहते हो तो खुद से शुरुआत करो। Because kindness is the universal language that can be spoken by everyone, which the deaf can hear and the blind can see.
ठीक है सेंटा क्लॉज, मैं इस दयालुता को आगे बढ़ाता हूँ। माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर, ओ कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम
हो सकेगा। मैं मानता हूँ कि प्रार्थना हमारे दैनिक कार्यों में सुव्यवस्था और शांति लाने का एकमात्र साधन है। शांति और अहिंसा किसी भी शांति प्रक्रिया के दो स्तंभ हैं जो मानव जाति की आजीविका का कायम रखते हुए विवाद की ऐसी सुलझी हुई स्थिति शांति और सद्भाव से परिपूर्ण होगी और भारत देश महान होगा।
Good इस कोरोना की डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं। हम डॉक्टर रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाते रहते हैं।
बैठी रहो, कैसी हो? जी मैं ठीक हूँ। तुम्हें यहाँ हॉस्पिटल में आए 1 से 1.5 महीने हो गए। ऐसे करो, तुम घर जाओ, अपने परिवार के लिए, अपना और अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो। हेलो, ओह अच्छा, तुम आ रही हो? अच्छी बात है, मैं रोहन को बता देती हूँ। रोहन, तुम्हारी मम्मी आ रही है। क्या? सच में? लो, लगता है माँ आ गई। बेटा रोहन, कहाँ हो? देखो, तुम्हारी माँ आ गई। मैं तुमसे नाराज हूँ। मैं नहीं आऊँगा तुम्हारे पास। जाते समय एक बार भी नहीं सोचा मेरे बारे में। बेटा, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? अच्छा, तो तुम नहीं मानोगे? ठीक है, मैं जा रही हूँ फिर से हॉस्पिटल। तुम अब अकेले ही रहना। नहीं माँ, मत जाओ माँ। हाँ, मैं समझ गया माँ, मुझे तुम पर गर्व है।
जिंदगी में कुछ पाने के लिए बहुत सी कुर्बानियां भी देनी पड़ती है। जैसे मन पर काबू रखना, इच्छाओं पर नियंत्रण रखना चाहिए, अपने हौसले को जिंदा रखना चाहिए। मंजिलें उन्हें मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पर उन्हें ताकत से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Yes, Santa, I have learned that sacrifice is not just an act, but a mindset, a willingness to put others before ourselves. In times of crisis, through sacrifice, I have witnessed the power of unity and selflessness, reminding us that together we can overcome any challenge. Though sacrifice may be difficult, it is the ultimate magical gift we can give to protect and become worthy to live in the presence of God. अच्छा, तो इसी सोच और समझ को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं आपको एक और गिफ्ट दे रहा हूँ। जॉय। देखते हैं जॉय का मतलब क्या है।
मम्मी मुझे जन्मदिन पर स्मार्ट वॉच चाहिए।
क्यों? तुझे अभी स्मार्ट वॉच की क्या जरूरत है? दीजिए ना, बच्चा है ना।
मेरे सारे दोस्त के पास स्मार्ट वॉच है, तो मुझे भी चाहिए।
ओके, आज शाम को हम बाजार जाएंगे और आपके लिए एक अच्छा सा स्मार्ट वॉच खरीदेंगे। क्या होती है? एक भिखारी सड़क पर बैठकर भीख मांग रहा है।
मुझे कुछ खाने को दे दो, मैं 4 दिन से भूखा हूँ।
अरे हम लोग क्या देंगे?
मेरे पास एक बिस्किट का पैकेट है, वह दे देते हैं।
ट्रका बिस्किट का पैकेट भिखारी को देता है। बिस्किट का पैकेट मिलने के बाद भिखारी बहुत खुश हो जाता है।
देखो बेटा, एक पैकेट में भिखारी कैसे खुश हो गया, ये असली खुशी है। चल और तुझे दिखाता हूँ खुशी आनंद कैसे अपने आप निर्माण करना है।
एक मजदूर अपने बुढ़ापे में भी पेट के लिए काम करता है। धूप और बुढ़ापा की वजह से मजदूर बहुत परेशान है, लेकिन वो अपना काम बड़ी ईमानदारी से कर रहा है। तभी एक इंसान उसके सर का बोझ उठाकर उसकी मदद करता है।
देखो बेटा, जो इंसान ने उस मजदूर की जरा सी मदद की तो उस इंसान की वजह से मजदूर खुश हो गया और मदद करने के को मिला, इसके लिए वो इंसान भी खुश हुआ।
He's on earth and mercy,
bring joy to others. With joy, there is hope. We give the other a chance to hope for a better tomorrow. We can make the world a better place to live in with joy around.
फैमिली ये कैसा गिफ्ट है? ये थोड़ी ना कोई गिफ्ट हो सकता है। ये तो सबके पास होती है। हाँ, लेकिन आज की फैमिली और पहले की फैमिली में बहुत फर्क है। परिवार ही समाज की नींव है, जिसकी छाया में हम सब पलते बढ़ते हैं। परिवार की मिट्टी से जुड़े रहकर ही हम हर आंधी तूफान से सामना कर सकते हैं। आज हम मॉडर्न साबित करते करते कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनों से दूर हो गए, जबकि त्योहार सुख सुविधाओं से नहीं बल्कि अपनेपन और भावनाओं से मनाया जाता है। पहले त्योहार कुछ इस तरह से मनाए जाते थे। बम चिक चिक बम 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 चिक चिक बम।
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो
जरा सुनने तो दो।
ओ दिल में मेरे
your incredible support and encouragement. Most importantly, your positive energy and enthusiasm create an uplifting atmosphere for everyone. Father Shinoy, your dedication to our staff and your commitment to helping us reach our full potential is truly remarkable. I am grateful for the way you constantly reach out to lend a helping hand and ensure that all activities run smoothly without any hitches is greatly appreciated. To all teachers and staff, we owe you a debt of gratitude for your dedication and hard work. We appreciate your patience, guidance, and countless hours you have invested in preparing our students. Dear parents, your trust and support have been the cornerstone of our achievements. We are grateful for your contribution and for being an integral part of our school community. Special thanks to the support staff who have worked behind the scenes to ensure smooth execution of this event. Not to forget Dion for sound and lights, Ramu decorators for the stage and hall setup, and Sir Vishal for the lovely backdrop. Let us continue to strive for excellence so that together we can achieve great